how to use Watermans Grow More Elixir. When you get your Elixir, you can see it is made of 3 parts, the nozzle and safety cap and the Elixir bottle. This isn't broken. To activate the Elixir, take the nozzle cap and remove the clear safety clip. Firmly press down the nozzle onto the bottle until it clicks. This activates the bottle to spray. To apply, hold the directional nozzle against the scalp whilst tilting your head slightly backwards. Key areas are the forehead, hairline corners, your side partings, the top of your scalp, and your crown. Or you can use all over for maximum coverage. Massage into your scalp to make sure it is worked in. When finished, replace the safety cap for extra protection. To learn more and shop now, visit watermanshair.com.